Hi everyone, this is my course that I have worked on about unconscious gender bias. I was finally able to find a free LMS, so this will look similar as when I build it for my company. So using let's start with purpose and the goals. This is something that my company has come up with, that they want to create a culture of inclusion, belonging. And so the very first module that I wanted to work on is about unconscious bias. This one specifically is about unconscious gender bias. So I added my course outcome and the objectives here, and you can see where I've added those. It's going to be a lot more to this, but this is just starting with unconscious gender bias. And so actually the course outcome probably aligns more with the entire thing, but this is the whole course, and this is just the first module. So so the first thing that I have is they'll jump right in. This is the first video, and it's a really great video. It's a riddle that they're supposed to solve, and the people are trying to solve the riddle. And if you've got to do my user testing, you can see. But so I have all of my information design up front, and then the next thing that they will do is a quick, what did you think the answer was to the riddle? So I have built it, so I've got the information design and then the learning design built in, because I want them to add their answers. And I did this for the first 3 parts so that they could watch the video, and then that's the information design, and then they would jump into let's see. All right, so that was that one. This one is another one about unconscious gender bias, and this one is I Spy My Gender Bias, and then we go into the this is the first video. So if you were able to watch that, you'll see it's a little cartoon that I put together. And I don't think you're going to be able to hear this, but maybe. So it's a little cartoon that they watch. It's a little scenario. And so, and again, we're feeding into the comic that they're going to be working on here in a minute. And this is where they describe how they would handle the situation. Then they jump into the next quick video. This one is about how the man is having to stay home to take care of the baby, and he feels like he's not going to get a promotion because of this. So, unconscious gender bias goes both ways, not just female. So then they watch this cartoon, and then they describe how their reaction in their situation. And then this is the fun part. The final assignment is they're going to go to this website here, the storyboard that, and they're going to make their own comic that they're going to share with their group, and come up with their own unconscious gender bias cartoon. So I feel like I have some good information design, and in the learning design, it would be where they are actually analyzing things and building something. Probably most proud of the idea about creating the comic, and how my comic, how they have to watch comics first, and then they are going to build their own. What I'm most concerned about is this is going to be huge. So this is just module 1, and I have so many more to build. But you can see they'll kind of all flow like this. I'll have the information design, I'll have the analyzation part, and then I'll have something that they're going to build, something that they're going to make. At least I hope I can do that in each of them. But yeah, I've really enjoyed this course, and thank you so much for all of your great feedback that you guys have given me. And thank you so much.